que ele faz?
Você abriu os braços, passar o moleque.
Vai pular de paraquedas, aí o cara tá lá com medo.
Só tô lá, pá.
345 I made 24 sales, and I'm talking thousands. We can add that to the stash. Goddamn, forgot to meet with the bosses for breakfast. I'ma keep pouring it on.
Rolê. Fala aí que tá achando o rolê hoje. Da entrevista que tá achando do louco, bicho é louco.
Se livre. Tá vendo?
I must say I feel sorry to say this. Been all around the world and still it's the same shit. What if I told you, somebody told me, Jones, you can be the best rapper that ever lived? And I responded by saying that I'm already is. Have been for years, where the fuck have you been? Been hiding, let me guess, the same place has been lying. Either there to stay in, cross over and fade away. Large and small tracks and clap and snare, I'm still 808. I treat this rap shit as if cracks involved, with the same passion when I play basketball. But with this the championship is platinum, and my down fans acknowledge my sound stand. Think I can't go no more, I'm feeling real down, damn. Yes, you can. I'm dreaming money, wake up and chase cash. By 345 I made 24 sales. And I'm talking thousands, we can add that to the stash. Goddamn, forgot to meet with the bosses for breakfast. I'ma keep pouring it on. I'ma keep pouring it on. Your health is not my concern. I'ma keep pouring it on. I made it this far, so I cannot run. I can't stop around the world. I can make money all around the world. All around the world. Yeah, I must say I feel sorry to say this. Been all around the world and still it's the same shit. What if I told you, somebody told me, Jones and some haters don't wanna see you alive. Look at them like what's new, my nigga, and reply, what did you expect with my tree like Jill? Put them on wax and I'm their worst nightmare. I leave all my troubles on land when I take off in the lair. Yeah, you're just looking at me now. What about the big days when them checks was looking foul? Hands aching every day, even though I kept a smile. Could barely make beats, let alone give a pound to my soldiers in the hood without breaking down. Wow, that's some real shit right there. Don't know if I can bring the real back along, I swear. Yes, you can. I dream of money, wake up and chase cash. By 345 I make 24 sales, and I'm talking thousands, we can add that to the stash. Goddamn, forgot to meet with the bosses for breakfast. I'ma keep pouring it on. I'ma keep pouring it on. Your health is not my concern. I'ma keep pouring it on. I made it this far. You gotta understand.